In tuple it's also have a same definition, guys. Okay. So in list I will give one example like grocery list, right? So in tuple we'll give another example. You have to assume that your mark sheet. Okay. So your mark sheet is mutable or immutable? It's 10th 12 mark sheet.
Immutable.
Immutable. So it's an ordered collection or unordered collection?
Dot collection.
Because marks are splitted into order. Okay. And it allows
Correct.
duplicates or not?
Yeah, it can be have any subject has duplicate
Yes,
numbers
yes, yes,
marks,
yes.
so it allows.
Yeah. So, and the tuple should be enclosed with parenthesis, guys. Little difference only. Okay. List and list difference between list and tuple. So, listen. So, tuple is the collection of homogeneous or heterogeneous data items. You know what is homogeneous, what is heterogeneous, right? Okay. Yes. So it's enclosed by what? Parentheses and separated by commas. It's opposite of the list. So list is a mutable, but tuple is a immutable, and both are ordered collection and both are allows duplicates. Am I right? So guys, tuples are used for permanent storage, but lists are used for temporary storage only. See, storing fixed values like coordinates. So in our real life, so we are applying in our Google map, right? Google Maps latitude and longitude. So the latitude and longitude is change anytime.
No.
Yes. No, it's a fixed point, right? So we are using for coordinates, and we are used for RGB colors. Okay. And we are also using for keys and keys as a dictionary. Okay, I'll tell you. So what is RGB? Okay, so we call this is the RGB color. So the RGB colors is enclosed by what? Tuple bracket. It means parenthesis. So if the first one is 255 and remaining is 0, this is called a red color. Guys, the range is 0 to 255 only. Okay, so if everything is 0, the color is what? Black. If everything is 255, the color is white, opposite of black. See, listen. Okay, we want to just see this point only. Okay, this point of view. If the bracket enclosed with each and everything is 255, the color is what? White, right? If everything is 0 but the green color is 255 means it's a green color. Okay, if the blue color is 255 means remaining is 0 is what had happened. So the it's in blue color. Okay, have you got my point?
Yes.
Yes. So this is called, we are also using for one RGB colors also. Okay, so guys, come to next point. Just a minute. Okay, so this is the syntax format, but in list we are using a square brackets, but tuple we are using what? Parentheses. Okay, come to creating a tuple. So guys, listen, it's very easy. We already created a tuple in previous chapter, but we don't know it is a tuple, so we just enclosed with what? Parentheses. Here we printed a, and the next one is type functions helps to return the class type. So the type is what? What's the type, guys?
Tuple.
Tuple. If I not given a bracket, so what is the data type?
String.
No, here I mentioned what?
Comma.
Comma. So what? It's also tuple. If I
Okay.
remove the string code, comma, so it is a string. Okay, have you got my point? So if you given comma, it's a group of elements. Okay, we will give another element or any other element. Okay, by default I already told that in string concepts. Yes, I give an apple comma orange, so it displays what? It displays with the parenthesis brackets, right? By default. So if I am
Okay.
using without comma, so it is not a tuple. So it's not a tuple, it's a string. Okay, if I given comma, so it is called as a tuple.
And
Okay, have you got my point, guys?
yes,
Yes. So I already told
So
that.
in the same example, if you are
Mhm.
replacing the parenthesis with the square brackets, then it will become lista.
Yeah, right. You are right.
Okay,
Yes. Have you got my point?
got it.
Hmm. Here is no issue. If I remove the comma, it's no issue. So if the content inside the square brackets, we call it as directly list. Okay.
By default in the Python, if there is nothing is mentioned, the parenthesis will be taken automatically.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, I already told that. So each and every topics are chained. So first you have to know what is string. The next thing is you have to know what is list. So now we want to know what is tuple. The same things here we using the brackets, but it is a permanent. We don't need to modify because it's a immutable. Guys, you can let you try. So what is the answer of B of 0 alka?
apple
Yes, and B of minus 1.
is mango.
Yeah, right. And now tell me, Gautam. So what's the answer? So what is the choose the which position like start index or stop index or step?
Start index.
Choose the start index and five is the
Yeah. End index.
okay.
Step is nothing mentioned, so it automatically takes one.
Yeah,
So
right. What
zero index two means starts from cherry, two, three, four, five till melon it goes.
is right? Five is present.
No, 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 no. Four, five means we need to take till four only. So two, three, four. Cherry, orange, and kiwi.
Okay. Hmm. Now tell me, Alka. So what is the answer? So what is the start index? What is the stop index? And what's the step?
Is zero and it will stop at four. So apple, banana, cherry, orange. Yeah, apple, banana, cherry, orange.
We will not take four, right?
A fifth one.
Hmm. Have you got my point?
Yeah,
Okay.
got.
So now tell me, Gautam. So what's the answer? Two means two is the start index. What is the stop index?
Sorry, two is the starting index. Nothing is mentioned at stop index, so it will go to the end of the string and sorry, not string, tuple, and step is one. So from cherry to the end of the list.
Okay. So that gives me Alka. So what is the answer for this?
Yeah, minus one. So
C.
start is orange
Hmm.
and then minus one. So orange and cherry.
Hmm. So listen,
Yeah,
guys.
orange, cherry, banana, apple.
Yeah, listen. So if mango is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So orange is a minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. We will not take minus 1 because it's a
Okay.
stop index. Okay. Have you cleared in slicing in a tuple? Yes, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so tuple is very very easy concepts for you. And another thing is update the tuple. I'm trying to update the tuple like a list, but we no need to update because tuple object does not support this item assignment, so it will not support for this. Okay, if you want to modify the tuple, you just convert it as a use type conversion. Okay, so the collections of homogeneous mixtures which enclosed by parentheses, so which is stored in a x variable, right? Am I right, guys? Yeah, we want to convert the list as a s variable. So imagine the x is converted as a list and stored into what? Y. So what's the y of 1 here?
I have one zero
Banana.
banana.
So I want to replace the y of 1 into kiwi. So now imagine, so it's modified, so now it's stored as a y. So we want to change into use tuple function to convert type conversions. So here we given y, so it's automatically converts as a list into tuple. Now check the answer. Print x means it print as a tuple. Now do you have any doubt? There is no
Okay.
need to update the tuple, guys. If it is you want to update, you can use a type conversion. Do you have any doubt? Yes.
No.
Okay, just see, yesterday we are, so in last test we are already seen like that. So guys, in list we are using list brackets, and here in tuple we are using what? Parenthesis. Okay,
Parenthesis.
so you already know. So it is a initialization. Okay, so we want to initialize because it is an order collection, right? So we will initialize in one by one. The first apple in fruits, print apple. Again go to for loop. The next thing is what? Banana in fruits, print banana. Again go to for loop. What's the exposition? Cherry in fruits, print cherry. Do you have any doubt in for loop?
No.
Yes, because you already know in the list concepts, right? Okay, and
Mhm.
what about concatenation, guys? What is concatenation?
Adding two tuples
Combine.
here.
No, no, it's not adding.
Not
It's
adding, concatenating.
combining.
Combine.
Okay.
Combining them.
Yes. So it's a combining. So we will combining both tuple, guys. But if you are using square brackets, it means list and tuple. It's not possible because different data types. Okay, it's readed. First one is list, second one is tuple, first one is list. List should be concatenate with what? List,
Tuple.
not a tuple, because in
Mhm.
error it automatically tells you can easily read this is a type error, right? If the first one is list, the second one is also list. Okay, if the first one is tuple, the second one also one tuple
Tuple.
data type, otherwise it will not combining.
Concatenate.
Okay guys. Okay, so and tuple has only two methods, guys, but list has 11 methods, but tuple has a two methods only. The first method is count method. So count method used to five. How many fives are there? Two fives are two five presents in tuple. And what is the eighth index position? Because here I have a double eight. So what is the eighth index position, guys? What's the
Zero,
next?
one, two, three.
Okay, why we not taken last eight?
Because 8 first occurrences only it will take.
Okay, 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 guys. Just a minute. Do you have any doubt in tuple, guys? Is Does anybody have doubts? Okay,
No.
I'll stop the record.